How old are your kids? Prepping with infants and prepping with teenagers comes with their own benefits and challenges. If you have an infant, you will need to prep on their behalf, but if you have a teenager, they ease the burden because your family has more team support. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We will be discussing how to prep with kids. Stay tuned to this video and let's find out how to prep alongside your kids. It is not advisable to bug out with an infant. Instead, we are told to stay put during an emergency for rescue teams. But if you intend to take your baby out on a bug out, you have to prepare for you and your infant. You need to pack enough food for the mother who may be breastfeeding and maybe buy some baby formula. Pack up your baby items, buy cloth diapers because they are reusable, and take a baby papoose too. For children between 1 to 3 years, you need to teach them how to eat finely minced or pureed solid foods. This way, you don't have to breastfeed them or carry baby food. You also need to potty train them to eliminate the use of diapers on a bug out. It would help if you bought a helmet for your toddlers, carry lots of water and juices, and prepare your kids for an emergency. When your child is within 3 to 10 years, you need to start teaching them prepper survival skills. They should know what's unsafe, and they should be taught how to use a radio, look through binoculars, tell the weather, or read a map. Kids are always willing to learn new things at this age, so teach them in a fun way. Once a child is more than 10 years old, they can function as a full-fledged team member. When they are between 10 to 12 years, you can start teaching them how to drive a car and pack a bag for an emergency. These are basic skills every prepper should have so that they can help themselves in an emergency. The next age group is teenagers, and by this age, they can be regarded as mini adults. They should be independent, reliable, and good at team movement. Your teenager should handle household chores by this age because on a bug out, no one will do their laundry. If your teenager can go into a wooded area and find their way home in a short time, they are already excellent preppers. A well-trained prepper kid is a confident and self-reliant kid. This training gets them prepared for not just emergency purposes, but for life in general. When you start training your kids from a young age, you can capitalize on their natural curiosity and teach them the appropriate survival skills. Are there personal tricks you use to prep your kids? I would love to hear your suggestions and answer your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.